Hi guys, welcome back to Now News and Updates. Today I will be guiding you on how to access your student email through Gmail account. A lot of people do not know how to do these things. A lot of people do, even some people, students that have been in now for some years, they don't know how to successfully activate their student email address. And if you're a new student, you don't even know how to activate it by yourself. This is an opportunity for you to do so. First thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type in gmail.com like this. So it's going to show you something like this that you should log in, you should sign in and also. So what you need to do is to put in your matric number and pass. You should put in your matric number just like this in small letter. If you open your student portal, which is nouonline.net, you're going to see it under it the way it is like this. This is your email address. This is your student email address. But if you don't want to go to that route, you can just type your email, your matric number in small letter like this. So you type your matric number, then you put this at now.edu.ng. This is your email address. So you want to confirm maybe your email address is working now. So you put it on this sign in. After you done that, you come to next, not sign up, not create account. You come to next like this. Click on next. It will show you something like this that you should put your password there. Please note, for the first time, if you are logging in to activate your student email address, your password is your matric number but in capital letter. Don't forget, your password is your matric number but in capital letter. So you need to put your password like this, your matric number in capital letter, then you click on next. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your student email. So with this, you can do a lot of things with it. So see how simple it is. A lot of people don't get this thing, but it is very pretty simple on how to activate your student Gmail email address. Can you see now? Everything that the person have made so far, he will kind of begin to see it, see as welcome him. So you can receive email from now. You can do a lot of things with this. Do you actually know that with this email address, you can use it on support portal, you can use it on your to access other thing, you can use it on so many occasions. So now email address are the email used by the National Open University administrations to notify their students of upcoming events. These emails are used as official means of communication between the university and the students. Please, you need to take this one very important. These emails are used between the university and the students. So it's just a means of communication. If you have facilitation, you can use it to log into your e-learn portal where you take your GST, you interact with other students and also. So this email activation is very important. How to activate your now student email address. So it's very crucial. I believe you enjoyed this video and follow through step by step on how to do this. So finally, you finally activated your email address. Then if you need us to work on anything, you want us to do a video on something, we can actually help you out. But this video is actually meant for students who have not activated their student email address. Either you are a returning student, you are a new student, or fresher. This is the process on how to activate your student email address successfully. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Kindly give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more. It will encourage us to do more videos if you do all this. So thank you once again for staying to the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye.